Hello everyone, we are back again. We have solved around 18 problems. We are at 19th, 19 queries, quality and percentage. So, okay, we have only one table here, which is queries. Okay, let's just see. We have query name, okay, dog, cat. We have result, okay, it's like looks like breed or something. We have position, we have ratings. Great. Okay, now we are asked two things, no? Dog query quality is okay, 5 by 2, 5 by 2, 1 by 20. By then take an average, and dog query poor query percentage is 1 by 3, 1 by 3. Okay, and it is 2 by 5, 3 by 3, 4 by 7, 0.66. And dog queries poor query percentage is 1 by third, 1 by third. What's 1 here? I will to check. Oh, sometimes this is the benefit. You can just get the entire explanation or entire like overview of the question just watching the test cases. See, I'm getting confused about how poor query percentage is calculated, so I will just check it out. Percentage of R queries with rating less than 3. Okay, great. Okay, so let's just try to solve it. We will start. Let's see, because this seems to be quite easy one. You have to use basic aggregate functions only. So let's just select. We'll be selecting. We don't need results here. We'll select query name. We'll select query name. We'll select position. We'll select ratings. Okay, and from the table, from table queries. How I got queries? See, from queries table. From table queries. And what we need to do? Let's just run this first. See how is it coming. And okay, but let's focus on quality. Okay, so for getting quality, let's just okay. We have to divide these two. No? We have to divide rating by position. So we have to do rating by position. Now I will show you something. I think that's will be very interesting. Okay, let as quality. Okay, let's just run this part. See, okay, that's not valid here. Still, okay. But later on, we need to do some segregation. No? We need to do some segregation. It's still okay, but we'll figure it out how what we need to do. Okay, now we have as quality. Should we round it off now? Currently, let's just round it off. Format 2. We'll use group by to at least get the quality part. We'll group by query name. Okay, now let me run it. See, we have figured out the first this part. Sorry. Great, and we didn't get the average. That's why we're getting the error. So we need to put an average over this. I'm still not sure what would be better, rounding off first or average first. Let's see. Okay, we need rounding later. Now we are going for round. So we are keeping around 2 decimals. Now we are going to run it again. Let's see how things are behaving. See, we have figured out. We have figured a quality part. I want to think of poor query percentage. Which way it would be better to get the poor query percentage? How about using case? Let me show you what I'm trying to do. Okay, so we'll use case. Okay, so when we have ratings, when we have ratings, it is I think just less than 3. Okay, rating less than 3. When we have rating less than 3, okay, then 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 give me 0 because I don't want to make it contribute. Else 1, and we are going to end it. We are going to end it as, let's just name it. We just name it as poor query percentage for now. We'll adjust the things we want to do later on. Okay, and we'll also need to do average here because we are using we're using group by, so the rest of the other than query name, the other things we are using, other columns we will be displaying or filtering. We must use some basic not we must use some aggregate function there. Okay, so basically by grouping by query names, we can leave query name. Rest there will be some kind of max, min, average. There must be something. Okay, so just let me run it. Okay, other than that, we should use round. First, let me multiply it by 2 if we can. Okay, case. Let's see, if I can multiply by 100. Then can we go for 2? Let's just run it. Okay, so what are the error we are making? Is there a particular order we display? Okay. Okay, poor query percentage is present of less than 3. Okay, so basically we have misplaced, where should we place 1 and 0? Okay, so let's just simply run this part again. Was poor rating percentage. Okay, it is accepted. So let's just try to submit it. Let's see. Okay, it was submitted. So let me just explain what I have done again. So first I did like rating by position because see rating by position is going on, and we need to do rounding of 2 because it is asked in the problem round of 2 decimal place. Other than that, see we are doing average here, adding these two by 3 because there are 3 columns for dog. So we kept the average 2. We renamed it as quality, and for this part we use case. Case is like if else statement. So if the rating is less than 3, make it 1. If else rating is equal to or greater than 3, then make it 0. Okay, and we kept the average. Obviously we need to do the average because let's say I have added all this part, then by 3 or 4 here there's 3 cats by 3, and then we'll do round up and renamed it. Okay, and we are grouping by query name. See the result because we are result are group by like aggregated or compressed, whatever you want to say. Okay, let me just give you one two problems which can be done from here. I'm assuming this is result is rock breed. Okay, okay, give me the breed name with highest highest ratings for each query name. I will make it better like since this is remove breed because the question is using result, so we'll use give me the result with highest rating result with highest rating for each query name. Okay, give me the mean or average position of the query name with lowest ratings with lowest rating mean average position of the query name with lowest ratings. In case of tie, mention all the Okay, so we use tab, mention all the query name. So try out these two problems. Okay, yeah, SQL is only what practice, so just try them out. Okay, bye bye.